Good morning, friends. First of all, I want to thank the President, Mr. D.S. Garewal, for inviting me for this talk, How to be Happy in Golden Years. Well, it is very difficult to define happiness. Some people feel that they'll be happy if they get a bigger car, bigger house, lot of property, lot of money. But this wealth and property may not give you happiness, because happiness is in your mind. Happiness is within. You have to make an effort to be happy. One way is that keep your mind in the present, because present is a gift. But unfortunately, our mind has a tendency to go into the past, which is a history, or drift into the future, which is a mystery. So we cannot be happy if we live in mystery and history. So we must try and live in the present and enjoy the present moment of life. That's what you're doing now and here. If some of you sitting here are not focusing on what's happening here, instead you are thinking that what we are going to do once you leave this hall, you cannot keep your mind happy. Second way is that we must understand that this life is a journey. So we must enjoy each phase of this life. But it's our habit to postpone our happiness. Remember, when we were in school, we always thought that we'll be happy when we go to college, because in the school you have to carry burden of your bag. There is a school uniform, the fear of the teacher. While in college, you always thought that let me make my career, get some job, then I'll be happy. So once you got a job, you postpone your happiness, saying that let me get a suitable partner, शादी हो जाए. शादी भी हो गई, अभी बच्चे हो जाए तो I'll be happy. बच्चों को पढ़ा दूं और उनके भी आगे आपके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन हो जाए, then I'll be happy. So it goes on. By the time you become very old, and then उस टाइम कुछ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेज लग जाती है, डायबिटीज हो जाती है, ये हो जाता है, एंड देन डॉक्टर बोलता है कि यार करेले के साथ रोटी खा के सो जाना. So you must enjoy the journey and don't only look for the destination, because destination of life is death. मेरे को एक बात याद आ रही है कि I met my neighbor other day. He was very happy. I said, why are you so happy? He says, tomorrow morning we are going on a picnic to Shimla, family picnic. So in the morning when I met him, he was in an angry mood. He was shouting at his family members. I said, क्या हो गया? वो कहता जी टैक्सी आई खड़ी है 9 बजे थी, तैयार ही नहीं हो रहे, लेट हो रहे हैं. So when he returned back, I again asked him, how was Shimla? कहता Shimla was very nice. I said, how was the journey? कहता जर्नी का क्या दसा, कहता घरों कलेश पैंदा गया. रास्ते दे विच सोलन आके उन्हें कहा भी चलो चाह बना के लियाई सी ते पकौड़े बनाए सी, कड बाहर खाइए. वो कहती लड़ाई झगड़े च मैं किचन च ही भुल के आ गई. सो होर चढ़ाई होर स्यापा पै गया. कहता लड़ते लड़ते गए, उत्थे 2-3 घंटे इंजॉय किया और लड़ते लड़ते मुड़े. सो वी शुड एंजॉय द जर्नी also, not only the destination. Okay, I will now discuss few points specific to the senior citizens. Now, when we are in service, we all enjoy certain authority, status and power of the appointment which we hold. And on retirement, once all this goes, certain people go into depression because they have nothing to do. Now they must realize that retirement is from the job. It is not the end of life. In fact, after retirement, you have another 25 to 30 years of active life to contribute to the society, thanks to the life expectancy which has increased so much. So, this is the time to make a new beginning. How can you do it? First, there may be a lot of things which you wanted to do when you were in service, like traveling, going abroad, pursuing some hobby, but you could not do all those things because of your responsibilities, family and professional both. This is the time to do it now. So, cultivate hobbies. Learn new skills that keep our brain active. Computer is one of them. Computer gives you a knowledge. You can read any newspaper, magazine or a book. It is a great facilitator. Sitting at home, you can pay your electricity, water bills. Without going to the bank, you know your bank balance. What are the transactions? And computer internet is a great source of entertainment. You can hear your favorite song, you can see your video films. Now, if somebody wants to see Katrina Kaif dancing, then he can see Baba Ramdev doing yoga. So the choice is entirely yours. One complaint normally we hear from senior citizens is that after retirement, they are not respected and they are neglected. Now, I feel it all depends upon our own behavior. If you want to be respected, then you have to make yourself relevant to the society and relevant to the family. Now, while at home, when you go out for a walk, on your way back, you can always pick up bread, anda, butter, whatever is required at home. During day, play with your children. It gives you immense happiness. When as children mean grandchildren. And ये भी अगर आप किसी बच्चे के साथ खेलते हो तो उसकी माँ बहुत खुश होती है. So your daughter-in-law will be very happy with you. She will take care of you. So the test of this is, if you want to test your popularity in the house, well, you go out for 3 days. And if the other family member feel that जब बुजुर्ग का बहुत फायदा था, बड़ा सहारा था, ये सामान ले आते थे, तो that means you are relevant. If on the other hand, your family feels that अच्छा हुआ चला गया, he was a burden, सारा दिन टेंटें करता, टोका टाकी करता रहता था, then you are a burden on the family and you are not relevant on the family. So, second, make relevant to the society. Now for that, we all have some expertise. We gain a lot of knowledge from the service. So this is the payback time. You must pay back to the society. How? You can join some NGO. The Chandigarh Senior Citizen Association is doing a wonderful job in the field of health, in the field of medicine, in the field of health, looking after the needy, poor and underprivileged. So, you are fortunate you are a member of this thing. And we should also maintain regular contact with friends and the loved one to avoid depression in the retired life. So we should have a get-together of like-minded people, have some fun, sing songs, crack jokes, go out for picnic. And that is what Senior Citizen Association is doing it. So, now I will discuss a point regarding property and finance, because either you are happy with this or you are unhappy with it. Now the golden rule is that we must not give away our property while we are alive. Those who have done it and they have suffered, they have regretted. I know a case in my neighborhood where a banker, on the eve of retirement, he purchased one house with all the saving he had. Since he was not keeping very good relation with his wife, just to please her, he registered that house in the name of his wife. And immediately after that, she asked for the divorce. So today, position is that this gentleman is staying in a rented house and his wife is staying in that house. So property you must keep it to yourself. If you have a property, if you have something, people will respect you. Your children will do seva to you. और तुसी पुरानी एक कहानी सुनी होनी है कि वन बुजुर्ग ही वॉज नॉट बीइंग लुक्ड आफ्टर वेल, सो उन्हें एक तरकीब बनाई. सो ही हैड ए ओल्ड ट्रंक लोहे का, ही बॉट सम मार्बल्स, तो रोज़ रात को कमरा बंद करके ही यूज टू थ्रो मार्बल इनटू द काउंट मार्बल टक टकवाए. ये उन्होंने दिनों की गल है जो पेपर करंसी नहीं सी हुंदी ते सारे सिल्वर ते गोल्ड कॉइन ही हुंदे सी. सो द फैमिली मैंबर यूज टू हियर एवरी डे कि भाई बुजुर्ग को बड़ा पैसा. सो दे यूज टू रियली लुक आफ्टर हिम. इट इज़ ओनली आफ्टर ही डाइड दे केम टू नो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ कुछ नहीं है, ਬੰਟੇ ही है. So for the property, you must execute will of your property. And the first name should be of your spouse. And you should be fair to your children. And after the wife, it should go to the children. You should be fair to the children, including your daughters. Ajkal, if you look around, you will know it, that daughters look after you when you need help. Munde ta kande we are very busy. And dusra, when you have a property, suppose you are two sons, don't threaten any one of them. एक अपने की आता जड़ा एक नलायक है, कहना तू नलायक है, you are good for nothing, and मैं तेनू प्रॉपर्टी चों बेदखल कर दूंगा. इस तरह का केस चंडीगढ़ होया सी. एक एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर सी, ग्रुप कैप्टन. He did this and his son hired a gunda and shot him dead and his wife both. So, property. So far as money is concerned, now we must open a joint account with our spouse, whether it's FDs, mutual funds, or saving deposit, wherever deposit are. That's a must. Okay. Now, another important issue for our happiness is our relationship. A relationship, if they are good and cordial with their neighbors, with your children, that is a great source of happiness. And if it is not good, then they give you a lot of unhappiness also. So, few tips. One is that at this stage, we should not interfere in the life of our children once they are grown up. They don't like it. And we should not advise them also unless advice is asked for. Because when you give advice, they take it as an interference. Things have changed. Things have changed. Our mindset and their mindset is totally different. So why interfere? Second, as far as relations are concerned, our children watch us closely. The way we treat our parents, they will treat you the exactly same way. If you abuse your parent, they will abuse you. ਉਹ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੁਣੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ, ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਕੜਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਉਹ 'ਤੇ ਸੀ. ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਉਹ ਖੱਤਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ. ਜਦ ਕੁਲਹਾੜੀ ਕੱਢੀ ਤਾਂ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੂਗਾ. ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਖੱਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਮਾਰੀ, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ? ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਸ ਖੱਤੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਕੜਾ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਕਰਨ ਚੱਲਿਆ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਗਲੇ ਖੱਤੇ 'ਚ ਮਾਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ। ਸੋ ਜੈਸਾ ਕਰੋਗੇ वैसा ही भरोगे। And in the relationship, one thing is very important, that we should not have unrealistic expectation from others. We normally crib that जब साढ़े टाइम ते ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, साढ़े टाइम ते ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ। There was an old lady, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਵਿਆਹ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਘਰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੀ ਸੀ, ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੱਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਸੀ, ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ। Now please do not expect your daughter-in-law to do all this today. Nobody will do it. So realistic expectation, even in life, if you have realistic expectation, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ। Other day I was walking, तो मेरा neighbor who is a property dealer, ਉਹ ਬੜੇ ਸੈਡ ਜਿਹੇ ਮੂਡ 'ਚ ਬੈਠਾ ਸੀ। I said ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਇੱਕ ਡੀਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀ ਦੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ 5 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਈ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸੌਰੀ ਟੂ ਲਰਨ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦਿਸ ਲਾਸ। ਉਹ ਹੱਸ ਪਈ, ਕਹਿੰਦੀ 5 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, 5 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਲਾਭ ਹੋਇਆ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਦ ਡੀਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ 10 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਲਾਭ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਭ ਹੋਇਆ 5 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ, ਅਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਰੋਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ 5 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। So the same situation, the gentleman is very sad, unhappy. His wife is very happy. So where is happiness? It is all, nobody gives you happiness. It is all within you. You have to make yourself happy. So last point is about your health. Now you must look after your health, because so long as you are independently doing your work, it is very good. Once you become dependent, you are burden on your family. So you must take care of your health, take medicine on time, eat proper food, a balanced diet. But problem with us is कि ਆਪਾਂ ਉਰਾ ਪਰਾ ਬੜਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। If you go to the marriage and see, ਇੱਕ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਸ਼ਾਦੀ 'ਚ, ਉਹਨੇ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਤਲੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ, ਸਮੋਸੇ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਗਿਆ, ਟਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਗਿਆ, ਆਈਸਕ੍ਰੀਮ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਗਿਆ, ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਫਰੂਟ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ। Now scientifically it has been proved that whatever this I said is totally wrong. You should not eat fruit after this. There is a reason. You should not eat ਤਲੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ, ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਾਜ਼ਾਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਤੇਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ। There is a reason. You should not eat ice cream after the food. ਜਾਂ ਠੰਡਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੀਂਦਾ। There is a reason. Obviously, I can't give you reason because of time. But once you know it, you will. If you know those reasons, you will never eat it. I know it. And food must be eaten at the fixed time. There is a reason for that also, right? So, health is very important. Moderate exercise, keeping a company of fun-loving people. And lastly, what I think is that whatever I have said, I think there was nothing new which you didn't know it. I am not here to preach anything to you because you are very wise people. But aim of such get-together is that we remember that there are things we should follow. The problem with us is that we know a lot of things, we don't follow them, we don't implement those things. So the aim of this talk, such talk, is that we are reminded of these things and we follow them. Oh.